My country people, not be small something o. Mary matter with lemon matter now I carry come here so. Now I carry say make I come tell una because this matter no dey funny again. Na mobile matter now we dey talk because everybody dey cry for justice for that boy, that young 27 years old promising young boy wey be say they just kpai like that with a bright future, with star wey God just put for him head make dey shine. Na dey kpai like that. Na Mary with lemon start their own. This na matter since how many months una no wan use na sense. Una no wan use na sense. Two of you don't want to use your sense. So guys, una know the video wey they drop yesterday wey be say Mary say im get video wey be say he wan release. If Lemon give am that phone wey be say dey with Lemon, he say some secret dey wey be say he wan release. He go release Lemon tape. We no know the kind tape wey he wan release, whether na Igbola tape he wan release or whether he get anything bad wey be say Lemon do, hide, wey be say she know, other people no know, wey say he wan release. So right away now, wise one don come talk put for inside this matter. Before I go into this matter, why I go play wise one video, make I greet una. I greet una according to the time una dey. Is your girl Linda Gist TV. For those of you that are just coming across my video for the first time, please do me well by hitting this following button, share this video, and do not forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Thank you, my people. So guys, I go play the video of wise one for una to see before me I get what to say about it.
Expose my friend Lemon. She's threatening to leak his tape out. Now I want to know what on earth has gotten into you, Mary. What on earth? Waiting don't really can even baragi see what on earth has entered Nene Sigi. But you decided to come through this way. Do you know there are so many things I know about the both of you that I've not said out yet. Even you talking that I've not even mentioned. When you came there yesterday, people were telling me, sending me a message, okay, help these people. I see longer, this lady come here to stay. She come to meet her husband. Can you help them settle and the rest of them? Is this the character of somebody that wants to settle with her husband?
Mary don't want to stay.
Is this the attitude? Is this the character the lady that wants her home back should portray? Even if you want him to sign a divorce paper, must still be this violence, must still be this aggressive and shouting. I said it earlier on in my last video, two people cannot be like this. One person needs to go down for the other person. I'm shouting, you are shouting, nobody is talking. How long do you people want to continue doing this? I'm talking to the both of you now. How long do you people intend continue doing this? How many months? Go from Nogri, come back Nogri. Now you the lady now, you're saying you want to expose him for what? What is it that you want to leak out? What is it that is new that has not happened under the sun before? What is it that is so new that nobody has done? What are you exposing him for? You know, say you go to touch everybody. Even if there is anything, you go touch everybody. They should give you back the phone so you unlock the phone. There is something in that phone that you're not talking. You're not exposing anything. How many feature that phone for? And I've told my how many feature that phone for? There is a reason that is making you demand for that phone, not exposing anything. Only in him exposed. What is it? Was it naked in any form? I believe that's the height of everything that I know you can expose. What else? You want to expose. If it doesn't sound, you will expose. You are not coming with blackmail. Does it sound normal in your ears? What are you saying? Are you here for peace or you're here for something else? Are you there for peace or you are there for something else? Even if you want to sign the divorce paper, is it coming through? Is it through this channel? I decided not to say anything because I did this. The first video you guys did, I just saw it. I kept quiet. You're coming for him to sign the divorce paper. Now he asks you, yeah, provide the car you sold. Provide the ring you sold. Provide the 3.7 million you withdrew from the account. Provide all these things. We're not even talking about all the properties that you damaged. At least the visible ones, the one that is at least a bit higher. Provide them. Then he will go to court and sign whatever you want him to sign. It's him, but you're not providing. You want everything to just be on your favor. Think of it that I was even feeling for you, saying, okay, let's see how we can sort this thing out. Let's see, okay, this lady is tense, she's depressed, probably she doesn't really know how to come out of her shell and say, okay, I want you back, let's do this thing. You coming back, I was even thinking, when you called me and said you came around, I was saying, okay, did she say anything reasonable? I was even thinking, but then I saw the video. You were even shouting more than before. Would I give the both of an energy when I say they shout all this shout? Oh, no, something is wrong with the both of you upstairs. Both you, both Lemon, or even Lemon and Nishi. I know he was wrong calling you a shower. I know that one very, very. He was totally wrong. But you saying you want to expose. What is it that you want to expose? What is wrong with marriage of this generation? Can you even know? Are you giving others hope to get married or what? With this character you guys are portraying, are you giving others hope like they should enter? It's sweet. True, marriage will be like autism. It will be like cult. Nobody will tell you until you enter.
It's not like cult.
Enter finish that you go begin to tell your fellow guys you want to marry. Oh boy, now this thing on the face. You go, yeah, now so we don't know how I want to tell you. It doesn't make any sense. You want him to sign and you're doing it in a very aggressive, you're coming in a very aggressive manner. In the shout, who is talking? And everything. And you want to what is that thing that you really want to expose? Can you just make a video and say what you want to, at least nobody can distract you? You know, you're not saying it's there, it's something that you make a video and say that thing that is in your mind that you want to expose, that you think he has done wrong. It's not a thief, it's not a murderer, he hasn't done anything negative against the law. So what is that thing that you feel, okay, this thing is going to bring you, if you bring them down, reach down now, you're not very okay. If at all there is something, madam, there is 100% nothing. I dare you to say that. Make a video and say that thing if you want to expose. If possible, go ahead and expose it. Don't wait until they provide you that phone that you refuse to unlock that is seasoned. Don't wait until they provide you the phone. Don't wait. Say it out. You must not bring evidence. Say that thing, make we hear that first. Then we will know if you did the phone or not. No, you're just looking for a way to get that phone because there is something there that you are hiding. You're the one that should be exposed, not even the other way around. If you don't do an arrest now, all the properties, everything that we are fighting for, we can't go heaven. Who died the other day now? Your house they talk about, and your car they talk about. Is he talking about all these things? Right on the spot of his burial ground, 9 family they plan to share it. May you so rest in peace, my bad. Now the shop of property that is bam. Came now, you're not even talking about it anymore. Now you and God get them. But then I left on our right, you and God now go decide them. You hear making noise for ugly things. I want to see that thing that you said you want to expose you. Because if you're not even ready to come, you're not even ready to come at all. It's not even in your dictionary. I mean, just I don't want to talk about all these things, but nah.
So guys, so now hear what Wise One talk for this video. I know, and when I went to the comment section, I saw a lot of people insulting Wise One. For according to Wise One, for Lemon calling Mary Ashawo Olosho, I don't like it. I said it in my last video. It is very wrong. Is your wife, or rather is your ex-wife, you don't need to do that. Even if now waiting she be, you don't need to disgrace her publicly. But for Mary to come and say he won't expose you, he gets something on that phone, he want to expose you. My dear Lemon, because I'm going live now, but I would first of all just explain it. My dear Lemon, don't give Mary that phone. Mary don't have anything wants to expose. Even if you have something to expose, let it say it to the whole world. As far you not buy person, as far you not thief, as far your hand clean, if na only gbola you want expose, make you expose them. You see, now people kpekus that they expose, they ever buy themselves. How much more you will be man? If you expose that, what the only thing we go dey inside, they go know whether it's small, a big finish. Nothing else. You are nothing else. How can you be just strengthening your husband this way? See, divorce, not be fight, not be do or die. If person want divorce, now gently. Lawyer, na go waka the waka. Not be this one way you dey do so. People are clapping for you. Two of them they shout. Two of them are really crazy people. When someone is not mature to get married, don't go into it. Two of you are not mature. Lemon, you are not mature. Mary are not mature. And I don't even know the kind of people that is giving both of you advice. Now you don't they come out Come, Mary, let me tell you, when you expose anything, blackmail somebody is against the law. If you don't know, when you expose him, remove your nakedness or what, it will affect you too. It will affect you too. So use your sense before your sense use you. And you, Lemo, learn how to calm down. Your chat is too much. Your bad mouth is too much. I don't know what is wrong with two of you. And I want to tell you something, Lemo. Don't give that phone to Mary. Mary have something in that phone that you know when that phone reach court, then we use that thing against Mary. That is why I come up with that word, so that you go quick rush, go give am. And don't go and flash that phone. When you flash that phone, you will delete a lot of things. She will open that phone on the day of court. As far if you know, Lemo, your heart is clean. You not put one for any bad thing where we say the law go there against you. You not buy person. You not sleep with person wife. You not do anything like that. If na your gbola in one show, that very day make it open am for court. So that make the ask am say, is it right for a woman to record the whole husband gbola for phone so that he go use am against am? Then we ask her that question. I pity people that is advising you. I pity people that is advising you. Guys, share this video. If you come across this video, follow me on my page, Linda Gist TV. Also on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. See you.